The following 7 skin fold sites were used to perform this assessment, which include the tricep, the subscapular, the mid-axillary, chest or pectoral, the abdominal, the superiliac, and the thigh. When measuring, firmly grasp the site with thumb and index finger 1 centimeter above or below the site. Pull up and away from the body. Measure the half point between the crest and the base. Take readings within Before beginning your assessment, be sure to consider these items. It is important to take all measurements on the right side of the body. Mark each site before measuring. Take a minimum of 2 measurements per site. Retest the site if they are not within 1 to 2 millimeters of each other, and rotate between sites. First is the tricep. It is a vertical fold on the posterior midline of the upper arm, halfway between the acromion and olecranon process, with the arm held freely to the side of the body. Make sure to measure 1 or 2 centimeters above or below the markings. Next is the subscapular, which is a diagonal fold with the arm at a 45-degree angle. It is 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. Next is a chest or pectoral fold. It is 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for men, and 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for women. Next is the mid-axillary. It is a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. An alternate method is a horizontal fold taken at the level of the xiphoid sternal border in the mid-axillary line. Next, it's the abdominal. It is a vertical fold 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. Next is the superiliac. It's a diagonal fold in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest, taken in the anterior axillary line immediately superior to the iliac crest. The last site is the thigh. It is a vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. To calculate percent body fat, we will be using these equations. Remember, when calculating the 7-site formula body density for men and women, they are different, so choose the correct one.